Hello, this is Kuldeep Patel, and today I'm showing my approach to solve the LeetCode problem number 2418, which is sort the people. What in this problem? Basically, a bit LeetCode given a two vector, which is the input like names and their corresponding heights of their people, and we have to return output according to their height in descending order. I return only the names of the people according to a descending height. First of all, what I am doing is this. First of all, I am showing my approach, how I am thinking about this. As you can see, this is the data of the height, which is not in descending order. First of all, I am to check. I am taking the data which is calling by the heights to get names of the people. So I am creating a unordered map. So unordered maps, what's doing on the unordered maps? Unordered maps doing in this, we can taking a height as a key, and their value will be their corresponding name of their people. And after this, I am sorting the the heights in sort the height, and which is being into the ascending order. And after this I am reverse this vector, and this become a descending order of their heights. And after this I am creating a result vector which can store the actual data of their people of descending order according to their height. And I am taking a for loop for it, and which can after this I am creating a for loop according to the heights of the data, and I am calling according to height and corresponding data after the sorted descending order, and which can give us the peoples on their descending order after we calling with the keys of the descending key and their corresponding people, and which is the actual is the descending people according to the height. And I am stored in that variable, which is I am taking their name, and that was also output. Let's give an example. Let's going on the code. I am showing what I am thinking. First of all, I'm creating an order map, which is taking two arguments, like which is the first of all, I'm creating a key which is the integer type. I'm taking a because integer type because I am taking key corresponding heights to their names. So I am sorted the height, and I'm calling with the heights and then taking the corresponding name. So I am taking the integer as a key and the string as an value, and I'm given the name for this. I'm giving the name as a data, and I am taking here a for the apply a for loop here, and which is the iteration I is start from 0, and it is basically going further to the I'm taking which is the size, because both the size of the vector will be same. I'm taking the name dot size and increment of I. After this, I am in this for loop, I am storing the key value pair according to their height, corresponding height to their people name, and then I storing here the data of the which is the height. This is the height vector, and their corresponding index will be I. So I am writing here the heights of I, that will be equal to the string, which is the names of the people which is stored in this vector. So I am given the corresponding name with their index, and this is the corresponding index with the same index. And you can see here this is the name of people, and their corresponding index will be their height. So I am here the corresponding value here, and this will store the people name as key value pair. Key is their height, and the value will be their name. After this, I am sorting the names of the people. I am sort the heights of the people here. What is the algorithm? Sort is the algorithm I am using here. After this, I am sort the heights. Heights dot begin. This is the method to sort the height in ascending order, and heights dot end. This will sort in ascending order, and so I am not reverse the vector. I am directly start a for loop from last. So I am skip that method. Uh, for I am writing here an integer which is another for loop which is store that data. Index of I is equal to 0 starting from the last index. because I am sorting, I am starting from the descending order. We can arrange the height. So I am starting this is from the last index because heights dot size because I'm reverse. No, I'm not reverse this way. I'm basically start from last because we getting the descending order of the height and according to arrange the names of the people and uh, I is starting from the last index and I it is greater than equal to the 0. This is the condition and I am decrement the I of left here. In this area, I'm storing data according to the descending order. So I'm creating here a vector which store the string data, which is the name I give here, which is given the name is the result. Uh, as you can see, this is the result taking after it. I am storing the data in the result vector. Then I result dot pushback is the method to insert the data inside it. After this is and which data we storing. As you can see, we are creating another map which is store the corresponding heights according to the people name. As the height will be the key and the corresponding value will be their people name. So I'm writing here the data and in the data and which is the height of the index, which is the starting and the index name will be the I because the I will be the index value here. And as you can see, this is the given the height and this is the data with the key value pair. So it give the data of the people and the corresponding height. So will be insert in the result. After this, I am insert this data, this return this data which is the you can see this is the vector type function. So I will return directly vector here. This is the result, which is the vector type. I am returning. Yes, going on the code. First of all, I am creating this systematically. Yes. After this, we can understand the code line by line. I am creating first of all I am creating the another map which is the track the data height according to their name of the people. Let's take an example or number second. This is an example number second as an input I am taking here. You can see this is the height and this is the data of their people. And this is the code for storing the data in the key value pair. After this, the data is storing like this. The data is storing like this. As you can see, height is 155, and their corresponding value will be li. So it's storing like this, and then another data will be another data. We can do it right here. After this, another height will be 185, and then corresponding value will be Bob, and another data will be 150 the height as a key, and then another value will be the another also will be a Bob name. So I'm writing here Bob name here. And after this the data will be looking like this. And after this, you can see I am sorting the data of the heights in the ascending form. Then its heights will be looking like this. You can see the smallest will be 150. After this, then another will be 185. No, 185, no, 155, and then other is 185. This is the after sorting the heights of the vector of the variable. And you can see this is the variable I am storing the actual data, as you can see here. And I am starting from the last index because we getting the descending order. Uh, so you can see here we can push data. Which data I am push? You can see the result. I am pushing the data here. You can see, as you can see, height of I and the last data will be 85 and the 85 185 corresponding value will be above here. You can see. Then the first data will be here. This is Bob. After this, the decrement of value, and then second index will be, you can see here, this is the 155, and their corresponding value of the 155 is the li, and this will store in this result vector, which is the li here. And then another one will be 150, and their corresponding value will be, you can see here, this is also Bob. You can see here, this is the Bob corresponding value of the 155, 150 will be here, and we storing in this, and that will be the answer. You can see here. This is the answer. On the example number 2, you can see this is the answer of the output of this question. As you can see, the output of the example number second will be exactly like this, and this is the logic of our code is perfectly fine for this problem. Let's running the code and checking our logic of code which is perfectly fine or not. Oh, something is missing in this code. I'm checking data here. I'm find my mistake. It is an unordered map. I am right here. Is taking the mistake of the unordered map. This is the unordered map here. Let's running the code and checking it is perfectly fine or not. Oh, something will be, yes, either here you can see this is a height and I'm writing here height. So it's basically given a error for us. I'm writing S here also. I'm checking another one or yes, I'm looking it's fine. Let's check. Yes, as you can see, the two test case by the running code is passed by and let's submit the code on LeetCode. Let's check in all the test case passed or not. As you can see, all the test case passed by the LeetCode as means this means the our logic of the code is perfectly fine for this problem. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.